Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys can see, market seeing such a good sell-off. I said yesterday itself, not even yesterday, but the analysis for yesterday's video when I said that this is not the place where you go ahead and buy, right? And a lot of people would have gone ahead and taken a buying position when we would have taken support from 45,500. But if you see, right, we opened with a gap down and then we just moved straight down till 44,800, right? Even if you would have, I mean, if you would have taken any sort of a trade with any, like any sort of a strategy, maybe a 5 minute breakdown, right? If you see in the 5 minute chart, if you would have taken a trade below 45,262, right? Even then you would have made money. If you would have waited for the inside candle formation, right? Over here, if you see, there was also inside candle formation over here, even then you would have made money. So in every, like today, making money today was very easy, right? Because markets were just, like the markets had a perfect place to open. Markets opened at a perfect place, and then there was a perfect scenario, right? How a perfect scenario is that anybody who would have taken a buying position over here were trapped today when the market opened, with a big gap down, right? Again, one more thing, guys. If you feel like the video is a little bit slow, I apologize. My actually, yeah, actually my hand has had a fracture, and that's why I cannot make the video a bit faster as of now. But still, if you feel like the video is a bit slow, please do increase the speed of the video, right? Anyways, talking about tomorrow is an expiry. Also, one more thing before that is my trade, right? If you see, I booked my trade at 103 rupees over here. Just give me a second. Yeah, over here in the orders, if you see, I bought it at 103 rupees today, and I've made I made 4,200 rupees per lot on this trade, and this is how the PNL looks like. I shorted it at 391. My stop loss was at 415, and today we opened with a very big gap down and just continued to move down. Right, even I wasn't expecting the market to or at least this premium to continue to move down throughout the day, right? And this premium has closed all the way down to 30 rupees. Anyways, no problem. I've my target has it, so I'm pretty happy with how I took that trade, right? Anyways, if you see, markets are now taking support from this zone, right? This consolidation over here, now markets are taking support from this zone, but do not go buying again over here, right? 45,700 will be an important zone. Only above that is when we will change our stance for, the short term, right? That we are again going to continue buying. Below that, we will still look out for selling, right? So the best place to sell over here will be this zone over here, 45,600 to 45,500. This zone will be the best place to again go ahead and take a selling position. Why? Because market seems to be making a kind of, a head and shoulders pattern. If you see, Bank Nifty went up, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and now markets could again go up till this level and then again see a sell off again see a sell off and break 44,800. That is one thing. But if we again do not see a sell off from this level and continue going up, that is when we'll change our stance, and then we'll aim for higher levels of 47,000, maybe 48,000 also in the coming days. But for now, for tomorrow, what you can do is that I would recommend you guys to just not take a trade, right? Today also, as I said, we could see a very trending market on the downside, and that has happened. And our target of 44,800 has been it. Even 45,000 has come, right? So today has been a very trending market, and tomorrow most probably we could see a volatile market or a consolidating market. Not consolidating. I don't think we will see a consolidating market. Maybe we might see a market in a range, but that will be a very volatile market because market has moved a lot today. So market needs to take a bit of, kind of a pause, you can say, at some place, and then start moving either down or either on the upside, right? So again, what you can do, you can take one trade is that above 45,120 is where you can take a bullish position till 45,300, right? That is one trade that you can take, but for that markets need to consolidate below 45,100 for some time, right? Once the market consolidates over here, after maybe opening flat or with a small gap down, once the market consolidates, then you can go ahead and take a bullish position till 45,300 or even 45,250. But make sure to keep your quantity less, because we are trading against the trend. So if you are trading against the trend, make sure to keep your quantity less, right? Again, on the downside, if you open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,800, then you can go ahead and take a bearish trade again, right? Because 44,700 is a very 44,800 to 700 is a very important zone. And if you open with a gap down and start breaking it, maybe you might see another momentum till 44,500 to 450 on the downside, right? So if we open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,800 and get a closing below 40, closing below 15-minute closing below today's low, then you can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here till the target of 44,500. But make sure to keep your quantity a little bit less, maybe 60 or 75% quantity only, and keep your stop loss tight. Also make sure that if the move has to come, it will come very fast. We'll see sell off very fast. If you are not seeing the sell off coming in very fast, it's better to go ahead and book your trade or at least reduce your quantity, because selling will always be fast. It will not wait for anyone, right? As again, even today, if you see, right, as I said, market opened with a gap down itself. So anybody who would have thought that maybe, I'll go ahead and take a bearish trade below the below this day low over here, they didn't even get a chance, right, to enter. And that's why you have to find sort of zones from where you can enter early or enter at a place when nobody is thinking about selling. And that was the place over here. And as I said to you guys in the previous video also, in like 1st August is analysis video, you can go ahead and check it on my channel, is that this will be the best place to go ahead and take a short position, because this is the place from where the FIS can go ahead and or not FIS, but all the big institutions can go ahead and take a selling position and just see that, right? That is why you need to find places when nobody is thinking about selling, because if everybody is thinking about selling, then selling will not happen. You need to think a bit different from everyone in the market, and that is only when you are going to make money. Also, one thing is that whenever you are taking a trade, right, always make sure to keep your risk to reward in control, right? If I show you guys over here, this was a trade that I had taken a day before, right? My stop loss got hit over here, no problem, but just see what's the stop loss. It's just a 25-point stop loss, right? Same thing over here, 25-point stop loss. But how many points am I taking when I'm winning? It is 290 points, right? So that's why you need to always keep your risk to reward under control. Only that is when you will make good money, or very good money in the market. Without risk to reward, it's very hard to stay profitable or make money in the market, right? So that was Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty over here, Nifty was also very bearish on the end, and our targets of for 19,450, 500 has also been met, right? So maybe we might again go up till this level of 19,700, 680, all these levels, and then start moving down again, right? So again, as I said, focus more on Bank Nifty if you want to sell, and focus more on Nifty if you want to buy. So tomorrow, if we consolidate over here and start moving up from here, you can take a bullish trade above 19,560. But always make sure that make sure that we are consolidating over here, because this is an up move. Then maybe we might take a little bit of pullback or consolidate over here for some time and then break out. Then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,630 to 640 on the upside. But keep your quantity less, as I say, and keep your stop loss also tight. Do not keep a very big stop loss, because because markets are very volatile, so we do not want to give back the money that we made in a trending market when a volatile market arrives, right? So tomorrow, trade less. Best thing would be to not trade at all. It's okay to just leave one expiry, because we will again get a trending market either on the upside or on the downside in the coming days. So again, even if you have missed this market, right, it's all right, no problem. Even if you have missed this market, do not worry, we'll get way better markets, not way better, but like we'll again get these types of opportunities, right? So again, if we consolidate over here for some time, maybe an hour or two after opening, and then break out above 19,560, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,630 to 640 on the upside. That should be your only target. And do not hold like do not hold after that, because maybe things might again get volatile. Maybe markets might come over till here, then again reverse from there, and just get volatile very much. So trade with less quantity and keep your stop losses tight and book your targets fast, right? On the downside, again, if you open with a gap down somewhere near 19,440, 19,430, all these levels, once we get a 15-minute closing, you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade. But if something like, so if you open with a gap down, right, so even bank nifty will open with a gap down. So do not sell in nifty, sell in bank nifty, because nifty might be a little more volatile than bank nifty on the downside. So it's better to go ahead and sell in bank nifty rather than compared to nifty if you open with a very big gap down. But again, if you open with a small gap down, we'll do nothing, right? Because maybe if you open with a small gap down, we could go down a little bit and then again see a reversal, right? Something like this over here, we could again see a reversal like that, and then we might again go up, right? So still in the daily time frame, we are still not bullish. Even after this sort of a buying that is happening over here, we are still not bullish. We'll only be bullish in nifty above 19,760 and in bank nifty above 44,000, sorry, above 45,700. You can also take 19,800 as a round number. So only above 19,800 is where we'll get bullish, and in bank nifty above 45,700 is where we'll get bullish, right? Again, if there is any change in the levels, you guys will know that once, will know that in the daily analysis videos that I post. So do not worry about that, right? Again, if you open with a very big gap up, then we'll do nothing. Both in bank nifty and nifty, if you open with a very big gap up, say somewhere near 19,640, 650, in bank nifty, say somewhere near 45,200, we'll do nothing for the day. We'll just close our terminal, or whatever trading screen, and you can just go ahead and chill for a while. Maybe just not trade for that day, because sometimes not taking a trade is also one of the best decisions that you can make in trading, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. Tomorrow we may see a bit of a volatile market, so keep your quantity less. And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.